Hey, I'm Ken Starr, owner of AirPro and founder of Heal Our Land. I just wanted to introduce somebody very important to me, my brother, Jess Starr, who's going to share a little bit from his heart today. So, Jess, how's your life different today than when it was a year ago?
So I'm really excited to be working here at AirPro. Being a part of what is going on here at AirPro is amazing. I feel blessed to be here.
Awesome. So, tell me a little bit about your grandfather and your dad and your uncle, and then how that's trickled down to the other boys. Just kind of maybe talk about that legacy a little bit.
My grandfather owned at least two foster-free stores that I know of, and during the process learned how to repair some of his own equipment, from ice cream machines to freezers, and learned how refrigeration works. Taught his two boys, my father and my uncle, how to do the same, and they took it to a new level with fixing and replacing heating and air conditioning systems. And they turned around and taught their boys, my cousin, my brother, and myself, how to work on these same systems. So we're actually third generation refrigeration, heating and air conditioning contractors.
Tell me a little bit about what's going to happen in this building up here.
So in this building, we're going to be starting a school that's focus is going to be on Abba Kingdom School, where the school's main focus is teaching kids about God and Jesus, and pretty much doing the opposite of what the public school system is doing.
What is that process like, or what have you experienced so far from Heal Our Land and Ken and Tina, just working with you and your wife Selena and your kids? And
It's been very special for Ken and Tina to come into our home, pray with myself, my wife, my kids, and just bring us closer together as a family.
thank you so much, Jess, for opening up your heart and sharing your story today. We really thank you for that.